Hello! Going into this fight, the internet had some pretty nasty comments about Jake Paul's opponent. Even after the fight, they said he was fighting an Uber driver. Why is Jake Paul fighting my Uber driver? Why is he fighting a plumber? Why is he fighting an OnlyFans? That's on the ropes. That's interesting. But why is he fighting a plumber? The reality is Ryan Borland is 17-2 going into this fight, now 17-3. Jake Paul fought someone who knows boxing, who knows what his side hustle is. The guy supposedly had a bit of inactivity as well. Going into this fight, he's fighting someone with inactivity. Either way, Jake Paul fought a boxer, and yeah, once again won. I guess that makes him a boxer.